Hello, this is Ariatu, and this presentation is to support the District Technology Training Plan I recently submitted for the board's consideration. The purpose of this presentation is to reiterate the benefits of effective and focused professional technology integration training, and to ensure the structure to implement district, school, and department goals, and ultimately improve student achievement. As shown on this infographic, diffusion of innovation takes place in a social system, and any approach to adopt the integration of various technologies is influenced by how school leaders and administrators perceive the advantages of a new idea or approach in comparison to the status quo. I hope to gain support for positive professional development change in this district. According to ISTE, all technology in the world won't make a difference if educators don't know how to leverage it for deeper meaning. There's just so much buzz about technology in education, so many opinions about the right and wrong ways to do it, and very little authoritative information. There's no definitive guide to technology integration. Many educators are just kind of doing what they think is best. Administrators are setting aside funds to purchase new devices and trying to figure out the best kind of training to give their teachers. And in the process, there has been a lot of mistakes and missteps. Technology integration has many benefits. One, technology can improve students' ability and capacity to access, create, and communicate information and ideas. The major benefit of using technology in the classroom is the ability to differentiate instruction to meet the needs of every student in a lesson. It's also beneficial in student productivity, and the ability to learn can be improved through the proper use of technology. Finally, the proper use of technology can improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the school district. Anne Arundel County Public School District should provide an environment that ensures appropriate social system members have optimal access to non-archaic technology for purposes of enhancing learning outcomes and teacher development. My research uncovered two major technology needs in the district. The first is more computers are needed for students. Every student in this district should have an assigned laptop. Currently, the ratio is 1 computer available to every 1.4 students, and high cost is often cited as the reason for this dilemma. I suggest that the district look for partnerships to bring more computers in classrooms. For example, in Howard County, Maryland, the schools partner with a nonprofit, Bright Minds Foundation, to donate devices to disadvantaged families to use at home. And these technologies can also be brought into the classroom as BYOD to facilitate learning in the classroom. The second need, after talking to some teachers, is that small group professional development is desired, because this sort of environment allows teachers and staff to get together in groups and collaboratively try out, discuss, and evaluate new technologies that strike their interests. Too many current training programs the district offers are one-shot deals and not intimate. Because technology grows and changes so quickly, we can't rely on traditional methods of learning to stay on top of it. The goal is to offer flexible training workshops on an ongoing basis for all teachers and relevant supporting staff to learn how to integrate technology throughout the school district. Integrated technology will be used to reiterate and enhance the district's values. It will be used to enhance student learning and productivity, to enhance teacher instruction and increase teacher efficiency and effectiveness, and to improve communication and provide greater access to information. The training plan submitted to the board addresses three core objectives set by ISTE. The first objective is educators seek out opportunities for leadership to support student empowerment and success and to improve teaching and learning. The training plan addresses this by having leaders assess level of training and interest each teacher needs to implement technology in his or her classroom. The second objective is educators continually improve their practice by learning from and with others and exploring proven and promising practices that leverage technology to improve student learning. In the training plan, leaders will provide ongoing technology training to teachers and relevant staff to increase proficient levels of knowledge. The third objective is educators design authentic, learner-driven activities in environments that recognize and accommodate learner variability. The training plan addresses this. In the training plan, administrators, teachers, and appropriate staff members will integrate online learning, cloud, and interactive technologies in the classroom. Here's a quick fact. According to the Software and Information Industry Association, online technology training gives adult learners flexibility and control to learn at their own pace. In fact, 75% of surveyed educators said they enroll in online courses when they are personally interested in the subject and want to increase their knowledge in that area. Teachers want to develop their technology skills within the context of their teaching and the curriculum, and online training gives them more opportunities to do so. The training plan recommends a hybrid structure to technology integration training. That is, a combination of in-class and online courses that consist of individual and collaborative group projects. The structure will result in successful adult learning in that 1, it is rooted in experience and adults are naturally attracted to solving problems, and 2, it involves self-direction, which is important since adults need the option to control their own learning. The technology training menu consists of the following. Courses may be taken as a team. For example, classroom teacher, teaching assistant, and ELL teacher will be encouraged to take courses as a group, to train together as a group. Courses will be a combination of individual and collaborative project-based learning based on proficiency level. Many technology integration training courses will be available online. Some technology courses will be designed for a specific population, such as ELL teachers, administrators, etc. The first step in the training plan is to survey teachers to determine their proficiency level and technology needs. Knowing the skill levels, interests, and needs of educators is important in customizing training for educators. A pre-training survey will be used to measure the technology needs of each teacher. The technology survey will include how educators use technology. Self-assessment is an authentic measure of proficiency level. Getting teachers to indicate their current relationship with technology is a great way to identify technology tools that may be a good fit. Having teachers list specific technology use and the technological tools they use is also essential in measuring proficiency. Knowing the attitudes educators have about technology is a great way to gauge awareness of possibilities and where they see technology fitting in. Knowing technical needs is pretty important because even if a teacher is comfortable with and interested in technology, working in a building that has insufficient bandwidth, heavy-handed site blocking, or limited devices will certainly limit the kinds of technology tools that can be integrated. It is imperative that the district address prevalent technical needs. As indicated in the training plan, the courses offered will be project-based. Learners will practice applying and using new technology. When it comes to technology-based training, letting educators get their hands on the tools just makes sense. Project-based learning saturates educators with multiple learning opportunities. Along those same lines, most training courses are to have educators begin using the technology to actually create something they can use in their classrooms, such as classroom websites and blogs. Learners will have the choice to either work individually or collectively as a team on projects. Teams will be encouraged to think of how individual team members can contribute to the development of technology-infused projects. Many of the courses will be available online, and they will give teachers opportunities to create something they can use. Even if teachers can't complete a project in the time allotted, just getting them to start something that could actually be used with students makes it more likely that they will use the tool later on. Some courses will be restricted to specific populations. Because different fields of study lend themselves to different strategies for teaching and learning, some training workshops will be tailored to the specific needs and interests of a department. Courses will be grouped according to level of expertise. Teachers want to develop their technology skills within the context of their teaching and the curriculum. This training plan recognizes the importance of providing educators with opportunities to develop their technology skills and to learn how to use one or more new applications in their practice. I have identified 3 levels which would classify expertise with regard to technology integration: emergent, proficient, and advanced. The effectiveness of the training workshops will be evaluated by assessing the behavior and projects of each participant. At the end of training, educators will be given a survey on workshop activities and content, and will be encouraged to detail what they found useful and what they believe should be changed. Educators will also be encouraged to model what they learned by recording their presentation of technology integrated lessons. Their recorded lesson presentations will be reviewed by peers and trainers, and feedback will be given. In conclusion, this technology training plan will help teachers make progress by offering encouragement, meaningful feedback, and choices, will train teachers in a challenging way that stimulates their inner drive by giving them choices, and will ensure teachers care about the outcome of their training. Having a sense of purpose is the main driver.